Let's dive right in. Today's explainer reveals the true power of the amazing semicolon.
So what are its two main jobs? By the end, you'll be using it like a pro.
Function 1 is a classic. It's a bridge, smoothly joining two closely related main clauses together. Remember, a main clause is totally independent. It has a verb and makes complete sense on its own. See how it replaces the full stop? It lets two related complete thoughts flow together naturally.
The key here? They don't need a strict cause and effect relationship, just a solid, clear connection.
Let's test this out. How would you join these two complete ideas with a semicolon?
Spot on. It seamlessly links the kid's excitement right to the arrival of that special visitor. Moving on to function 2, it's actually a master organizer for highly detailed, complex lists.
Its main job here is killing ambiguity, making sure long lists don't get messy and confusing.
But wait, if we already use commas for lists, why on earth do we need semicolons?
Well, sometimes your list items already contain commas for extra details. We need a much stronger separator. Without them, that mummy and jewel list gets super messy. With them, every detail stands out perfectly. Here's the magic formula. Introduce with a colon, write detailed items, and separate them cleanly with semicolons. Look how it easily tames this wild list, cleanly separating that shrilled bird from the growling puma.
To recap those superpowers, bridge closely related main clauses and completely untangle those highly detailed lists.
So, now that you know its secrets, how will you use the semicolon to elevate your writing today?